6.25 kHz radios are resilient to multipath interference. But what is multipath interference, and why does resilience matter? Multipath interference is when the radio receives the same signal at two different times. Now, I'm not talking about a 5-second delay, this is within microseconds. Having better multipath resilience reduces the chance of your voice dropping in and out of conversations, which we'll explain in a bit. When might multipath interference happen? Let's say we have a radio A, the receiver, and radio B, the transmitter. Radio B transmits the signal. The signal itself isn't a direct shot. In fact, it's omnidirectional, sort of like a water ripple. When the signals are traveling, they can bounce off objects, in this example, a building. When radio A receives these signals all at once, a clean waveform results, which is easy for the radio to interpret signals. 6.25 kHz carries data at a slower rate than 12.5 kHz. Having a slower data speed allows the radio more time to interpret the signal and more tolerance when the same signal arrives at slightly different times. For example, you're in a cave and someone talks loudly. You can hear the traveling echoes and you can easily understand what they're trying to say. But if you listen to an auctioneer quickly explain their life story in a room with a lot of echo, then it's more than likely you won't understand what they're trying to say aside from picking up a few words here and there. The greater ability to interpret the signal, the clearer the audio in areas with plenty of surfaces for radio waves to bounce off of, such as buildings, forests, tunnels, or simulcast systems. Icom's IDIS line of radios use the 6.25 kHz channel to communicate. Naturally, they are multipath resilient as well. Choose Icom for your next radio communication solution. We are Icom.